What's up everyone? It's 4 Best Picks back with another one. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of dash cams. Whether you're a seasoned road warrior or just starting your driving journey, having a reliable dash cam is crucial in 2025. We've handpicked 4 of the hottest dash cams on the market, each with its own strengths and features. We'll break down video quality, field of view, extra features, and of course the price, so you can make the best decision for your needs. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the top 4 dash cams in 2025. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, we're kicking things off with the PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam. Now, this dash cam isn't messing around when it comes to coverage. As the name suggests, it's got a full 360-degree view, meaning it captures everything happening around your car. We're talking front, rear, inside the cabin, and even the sides. That's right, folks, no blind spots here. This kind of comprehensive coverage is a game changer, especially if you're ever in an accident and need irrefutable evidence. But wait, there's more. The PRUVEEO also packs built-in GPS so you can track your routes and speed. Plus, it's got Wi-Fi for easy footage transfer to your phone, and night vision ensures clear recordings even in low-light conditions. And if you're worried about storage, don't be. This bad boy comes with a free 128GB card and supports 24/7 recording in parking mode, so you can rest assured knowing your car is always under surveillance. Now, for the price. The PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam comes in at $189.99, which is a steal considering all the features you're getting. It's a solid all-around option that won't break the bank. Overall, the PRUVEEO 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers who prioritize comprehensive coverage and peace of mind. It's packed with features, delivers great video quality, and won't empty your wallet. Next up, we have a contender from a brand known for its navigation prowess, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W. Garmin has been a trusted name in the world of GPS and navigation for years, and now they bring that expertise to the dash cam market. Now, Garmin knows a thing or two about capturing journeys, and this dash cam is no exception. Whether you're driving through scenic routes or navigating busy city streets, this device ensures every moment is recorded with precision. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W boasts a crisp 1440p resolution, capturing those crucial details with stunning clarity. This high resolution means that even the smallest details like license plates and street signs are easily discernible. But here's where things get interesting. The dash cam isn't just about high resolution, it's packed with features that make it stand out in a crowded market. It also features an extra-wide 180-degree field of view, which is wider than your average dash cam. This wide-angle lens ensures that you capture more of the road and surroundings, providing a comprehensive view of your driving environment. This means you get a more panoramic perspective of the road ahead, capturing more of what's happening on the sides as well. It's particularly useful for spotting vehicles approaching from the sides or capturing scenic drives in their entirety. And for those who love staying connected, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W comes with some nifty new features. The integration with your smartphone allows for seamless connectivity and control. We're talking about connected features that let you monitor your vehicle remotely, so you can keep an eye on things even when you're away from your car. This is perfect for those who want to ensure their vehicle's safety at all times. Plus, it supports voice control, allowing you to manage recordings and settings hands-free. This feature is incredibly convenient, especially when you need to make quick adjustments without taking your hands off the wheel. And to sweeten the deal, Garmin throws in a memory card right out of the box. This means you can start using your dash cam immediately without the need for additional purchases. No need to worry about buying one separately. It's a thoughtful inclusion that adds value to the overall package. Now, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is priced at $184.95, which puts it in a similar range as the PRUVEEO. This competitive pricing makes it an attractive option for those looking for a high-quality dash cam without breaking the bank. However, it trades off the 360-degree view for a higher resolution and those cool connected features. This trade-off might be worth it for those who prioritize video quality and connectivity over a full 360-degree view. It's a tough choice, but it really depends on your priorities. If you value a wider field of view and connected features, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is an excellent option. If you value a wider field of view and connected features, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is an excellent option. It offers a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly features that make it a standout choice. It's a feature-packed dash cam that delivers on both video quality and convenience. Whether you're a daily commuter or an avid road tripper, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Chapter 3. Moving on, let's talk about the ROVE R3 Dash Cam. This device is designed for those who demand comprehensive coverage and high-quality recording from their dash cam. Whether you're a ride-sharing driver, a concerned parent, or just someone who wants to ensure every angle is covered, the ROVE R3 has you in mind. This one's for those who want a dash cam that does it all: front and rear recording, cabin view, you name it. The versatility of this dash cam is truly impressive, offering a comprehensive solution for all your recording needs. The ROVE R3 comes equipped with not one, not two, but 3 cameras, providing all-around coverage of your vehicle. This means you can capture footage from the front, the rear, and even inside the cabin, ensuring that no detail is missed. You get a front-facing camera, a rear-facing camera, and even a camera pointed inside the cabin. This triple camera setup is perfect for capturing every moment, whether it's an unexpected event on the road or something happening inside your vehicle. This means you can capture everything happening inside and outside your car, which is incredibly useful for ride-sharing drivers or anyone who wants that extra layer of security. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that every angle is covered, providing you with comprehensive evidence in case of an incident. And the ROVE R3 doesn't skimp on video quality either. High-resolution recording ensures that every detail is captured clearly, making it easier to review footage and identify important details. It records in crisp 1440p for the front camera and 1080p for both the rear and cabin cameras, ensuring clear and detailed footage from all angles. This high-definition recording is crucial for capturing license plates, road signs, and other important details, but here's where the ROVE R3 sets itself apart. It features a built-in 3-inch IPS touchscreen. This touchscreen makes it incredibly easy to navigate through menus, adjust settings, and review footage right on the device. This makes navigating menus, adjusting settings, and reviewing footage incredibly easy and intuitive. No more struggling with tiny buttons or complicated interfaces. Everything is at your fingertips. No more fumbling with tiny buttons or connecting to a computer just to change a setting. The touchscreen interface simplifies the entire process, making it user-friendly and efficient. And of course, it wouldn't be a modern dash cam without Wi-Fi and GPS. These features allow you to easily transfer footage to your phone and track your routes, adding another layer of convenience and functionality. The ROVE R3 has both, allowing you to easily transfer footage to your phone and track your routes. This is especially useful for reviewing your trips and ensuring that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. And if you need even more storage, it supports up to a whopping 512 GB SD card. This means you can store hours of high-quality footage without worrying about running out of space. Now, for the price. The ROVE R3 Dash Cam comes in at $259.99, which is a bit pricier than the previous 2 options. However, considering the advanced features and comprehensive coverage it offers, it's a worthwhile investment. However, considering the 3-channel recording, touchscreen display, and generous storage capacity, it's still a great value for the price. The ROVE R3 Dash Cam is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience with reliable and high-quality recording. Chapter 4. Last but not least, we have the VANTRUE N4 3-channel Dash Cam, another strong contender in the 3-channel Dash Cam arena. This device is designed to offer comprehensive coverage and high-quality recording, making it a favorite among car enthusiasts and daily commuters alike. The VANTRUE N4 is all about delivering crisp and clear footage with its impressive 4K resolution for the front camera. This high resolution ensures that every detail is captured with stunning clarity, whether you're driving through a bustling city or a quiet countryside. That's right, folks, 4K recording in a dash cam. This level of detail is particularly useful in the event of an accident or dispute, as it can provide clear evidence of what happened. This means you get incredibly detailed footage, making it easier to make out license plates, street signs, and other crucial details. No more squinting at blurry images trying to figure out what they show. And just like the ROVE R3, the VANTRUE N4 also offers 3-channel recording with front, rear, and cabin cameras. This ensures that every angle around your vehicle is covered, providing you with a comprehensive view of your surroundings. The rear camera records in 1440p, offering high-definition footage that captures the details of vehicles and objects behind you, while the cabin camera captures footage in 1080p, ensuring you have a clear view of everything happening inside your car. This is particularly useful for rideshare drivers who want to keep an eye on their passengers. Now, the VANTRUE N4 doesn't have a fancy touchscreen display like the ROVE R3. Instead, it opts for a more straightforward interface that is easy to navigate and use. However, it makes up for it with its robust build quality and reliable performance. The device feels solid and well-constructed, giving you confidence that it will last for years to come. It's built to withstand extreme temperatures and comes with a capacitor instead of a battery, which is more durable and less prone to overheating. This makes it a great choice for those who live in areas with harsh weather conditions. And if you're worried about draining your car's battery, the VANTRUE N4 has you covered with its 24-hour parking mode that only activates when it detects motion. This feature ensures that your car is monitored even when you're not around, providing peace of mind. In terms of storage, it supports up to a 256GB SD card, which should be plenty for most users. This allows you to store hours of high-quality footage without constantly needing to clear space. Now, for the price. The VANTRUE N4 Triple Channel Dash Cam also comes in at $259.99, putting it on par with the ROVE R3. This price point makes it an attractive option for those looking for a high-quality dash cam without breaking the bank. It's a tough choice between the two, but if you prioritize video quality and durability, the VANTRUE N4 is the way to go. With its impressive features and reliable performance, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience. So there you have it, folks. Our top 4 picks for the best dash cams in 2025. We've covered a range of options from budget-friendly to feature-packed, so you can find the perfect dash cam for your needs and budget. Remember, a dash cam is an investment in your peace of mind and can be a lifesaver in case of an accident. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and comparisons, and let me know in the comments which dash cam you're rocking or planning to get. Until next time.